Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Wooting 60HE versus Keychron Q1 HE. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss their differences and in order for you to understand which one is the better option. So guys, the product links will be in the description below, and the main differences between the two lies in their switch technology. So guys, I made this table over here so we can better understand. So when it comes to their switch technology, the 60 has a analog Hall effect switches, and pretty much it is adjustable actuation. And when it comes to the Q1, it is much more traditional mechanical switches, and it is linear, clicky, and much more tactile. And when it comes to the build quality, guys, the 60 has a lightweight and a solid build, while the Q1 has a CNC machined aluminum and it has a premium feel. And when it comes to the customization, guys, the 60 offers an RGB lighting, and it is pretty much programmable keys, and it has analog input. And when it comes to the Q1, it is an RGB and swappable keycaps and stabilizers. And when it comes to their connectivity, guys, the 60 has a USB-C connection, and it is pretty much have an option of wireless or wired. And when it comes to the Q1, it is wired only, and it is a USB-C. So guys, overall, choose 60 if you are looking for a advanced analog switch technology for greater control and customization, and choose the Q1 if you prefer a more traditional mechanical experience with a solid build and a premium typing feel. And there you go. See ya.